Hi everybody, I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars, the Jeep Edition. And this is a 1979 CJ7. So it does have a 350 Chevy, small block in it, yay. It's got the 3-speed Borg-Warner T150 transmission. It is a beautiful smoke gray exterior with black EAG aftermarket bumpers, black Corbeau front bucket seats with a black Corbeau rear seat. Very, very nice stuff. Rear mounted Igloo cooler. How cool. It's got a cooler. And obviously power brakes with front disc, long tube headers, dual exhaust, Thrush mufflers, the Dana front end and the AMC rear. Let's see, it's got big Mickey Thompson 305 65 R17 tires, 4-wheel drive, and of course power steering. This is actually a cool looking Jeep. I know the gears are 355, so I think it's a little bit better driver. Oh, is there anything in the cooler?
No, there's nothing in the cooler right now, I don't think.
Well, we could put stuff in there.
We could.
Like sodas.
I do like the matching Corbeau rear seat.
Oh, I do.
That's pretty cool, and the Corbeau front seats, of course. You got normal seat belts.
Oh, look at the speakers.
Yeah, you do have speakers back here as well, and a kicker head unit.
They look to be waterproof, and I love the rhino lining on the inside. Oh, nice.
And then typical Jeep, you got to do undo the sides, and then there's a latch in order to open the hood. You also have these steps on the side here.
Yeah, for short people like myself.
Rugged bridge, side steps to help you get in. Although this isn't like tremendously lifted, but it's lifted. And then there's that 350 small block.
Too lifted for me.
Small block Chevy V8, can't go wrong with that.
No, you can't.
And the bumpers, I think, look tremendous. Halo headlights as well. Cool looking Jeep. You ready to start it up and see what it sounds like?
I think we should, Jake.
Ah, the lights in the bumper, very nice. And the headlights. Someone likes the Jeep over on the highway. Here's your microphone.
Oh, thank you so much.
Let me hop into this Jeep.
Here, you got it?
I got it. I'll sit it right down here.
Thank you for doing that. We got plenty of fuel, looks like.
Well, that's good.
Oh, yours is nice and simple.
All right. And we're off like a dirty shirt.
Oh,
with
very
amazing
nice. High clutch point, nice.
Amazing oil pressure. Let's see if I can get the camera down here. If it'll focus. Hopefully it does.
That's my biggest problem, is focusing.
You got your voltage and water gauge down there as well. Then you got your speedo right over there. And some factory switches for the Jeep stuff. Fans and whatnot.
Fans and the light.
There's some extra switches over to your left for the rock lights, fog lights, and the fuel pump. On the left side of the wheel, got a 12-volt power outlet here so you can charge your phone.
Nice.
Very nice.
Nice creature comforts.
Fuel gauge is working. Temp gauge again is moved over here to one of these jack gauges.
Good brakes.
Good brakes, 3 speeds, 4-wheel drive if we want it. We have it in 2 right now. Big speakers back there. We're ready to hit the road, the open road. All the GoPros are mounted and ready. Second gear. Very nice.
Very nice.
Plenty of torque to get up the hill.
Torquey McTorkerton. Oh, it's moving.
So what happens when you put a small block Chevy in a Jeep. I also love the gray and black combo.
It's a very good combo. I love the interior, what they've done.
Side steps are nice. It's actually not that hard to get into, which is nice.
For me, the short guy. The gearing's very nice.
Yeah, you can actually get this thing up on the highway probably with 355.
Yeah, you can get there.
That's
for
third
sure.
gear. We're barely pulling any RPM. We're doing about 40.
Oh, it is a nice drive.
It is. pretty
pull my
good.
hat way down, or I'm gonna flip it.
Yeah, you don't want this to fall off.
No, we don't.
I should have gotten in the back.
You could have.
I could have.
I guess we'll just turn around again up here, or do you want to do a flyby?
We can do flyby.
I think you can in this one.
Yeah.
Oh my.
And what's nice about Jeeps is I can put my leg over here
He loves doing
and
that, folks.
rest it on the step on the outside.
It's a good step.
Hey, when you can, you might as well.
Just do it.
I don't own a Jeep, so I don't get the opportunity to put my extremities outside the vehicle.
Yes, Jake's Camry does not offer that.
No, it doesn't. And I don't want to take the doors off of that, so this makes sense.
It does. You know, it's well done. Well done, Jake. It's very good looking, too.
Oh yeah, the look of the 70s Jeeps, I think they look awesome.
Oh, they do.
The CJ7 especially.
Yes. I like the gray. The smoke gray.
Smoke gray. And it's a beautiful day to drive a Jeep.
It's Jeep day.
There's a
It's
reason we
Jeep
waited till
day.
it was sunny and in the 60s.
Yeah, it is 60, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like 65. Perfect weather.
Feel that. Oh, the Borg-Warner. Just hooking up great.
It's a good transmission.
Oh, I like it. I like it a lot.
It's actually pretty fun.
This is.
You know, it's not a speed demon,
No.
not a Corvette, but you still got a small block, a lot of torque.
But good noises. We can talk to each other with everything off. I mean,
Absolutely. Take this thing on a trail. It'd be fun.
It would be.
We're going to be good. We're not going to go rock crawling it anywhere.
No.
But
No.
we could if we wanted to.
We can do whatever we want in this thing. Oh boy. And you know what I don't care about up there? The bump. I can just go right over it.
Oh yeah, the bump in the road. This Jeep won't care.
No.
This Jeep won't care at all.
This Jeep thinks it's great.
Here we go. Second gear.
Here we go.
Very nice.
Very nice. Looks good, sounds good, feels good.
Runs good.
It really does.
Let's see, we're at about 190 degrees, which is just fine. Voltage is voltaging, and we're still at just under 40 psi of oil pressure.
Very good.
Now that the engine's warmed up, that's fantastic.
All of our margins are good.
The blinker's working
Yes, it is.
on the dashboard up there, which is cool. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it's blinking there on the speedometer.
We still can't take turns at 900 miles an hour.
And Chris is sucking in pollen.
Yes, he is.
That is the one thing about this Jeep. It's not friendly for people with allergies.
No, you're one with nature in this bad boy.
Heck yeah, you are.
Here, I'm going to go over that bump.
This thing looks like it needs to go on a safari. No, he found a bump to hit.
Just a little one.
Yeah, it's just a baby one.
I don't
This
want it
thing-
too dark.
This thing doesn't care.
No, it eats it up and laughs.
All right.
It laughs at you.
I'm
It's
ready to
laughing
see
at you.
what it sounds like on the Flyby. It does have dual exhaust,
It does.
so it sounds
It's
pretty
got
decent.
headers too. I mean, it doesn't sound pretty good. It's not overwhelming.
All right, you ready?
I am. I'll take your microphone and I'll jump out of here and grab your camera. There we go. Plenty of room. He's doing it, ladies and gentlemen. And he's doing it live. There he goes. Well done. There he goes. Very nice.
Hello.
Well, hello.
You might want
Come
to
on,
turn,
Mr. Camera.
You might want to turn the camera toward me.
Why don't we do that?
Use the little button on the bottom.
I just started laughing when I saw the grass thing. Anyway, Jake, how was it?
You know, I've never been a big Jeep person, but after driving this, I can see the appeal.
The seats are really nice. You told me these
Well,
are
they're
great
Corbeaus.
seats.
He didn't really know what Corbeaus were.
I
I
did
said they're a
not.
very, very nice seat.
They're comfortable.
And the fact that the back matches the front, that's a big deal.
Well, the whole thing's comfortable, though.
It actually is. For a Jeep, this is extremely nice. Drives very well. You get to listen to a V8 the whole time.
Yep.
What more
Good
do you want?
exhaust. You don't want much else.
I like it. You want to take it back?
Let's go.